guys, it's Ruth and this is how I do it solo. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my current makeup routine using mostly Korean products. And this is the look that we're going for today.
Wow!
So if you like to learn how to get this glossy ombre lips, this really beautiful eyebrows, and this mascara na lengthening, para malaman nyo kung ano yung product na yan, panoorin nyo lang ang video na to. So we're going to start with our base. I'll be using Innisfree Jeju Cherry Blossom Tone Up Cream. So ito yung gagamitin nating pang brightening effect ng skin. Next, for our base, I'll be using BBAC Natural Cover Cream. So it's like, yung consistency niya, it's like BB cream and CC cream. I like to first spread it with my fingers so I know just how much product I need before I go on and blend it with a sponge. Next, I'll be blending it with this sponge. It's from Nippon. So I don't have a Korean concealer, so I'll just be using my favorite concealer. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. And I'm going to be covering up my under eyes and my pimple marks. With concealer, I like to blend using my fingers in a gentle tapping motion so I don't disturb my base. See how it covers my pimples? I get so much pimples when it's that time of the month. That's why I'm breaking out right now. But it can be covered naman with the concealer, so it's fine. I'm trying to do this makeup very quickly. After concealing, I'll be setting the parts that I concealed and places na I get oily using this. It's the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. So on the under eyes, sides of the nose, the chin, yung mga kinonceal ko, and a little bit on the forehead, and the brows, para mabawasan yung oiliness ng brows. And then we're going to do our brows na. So I like to always brush up first before I apply my product. For today, I'll be using the K Palette Long-Lasting Two-Way Eyebrow Liquid in the shade 02. So first, I like to draw the outline sa taas ng aking kilay. And then, I proceed by drawing those little lines. So I paint upwards until I fill in the whole brow. The brows is usually where I take the most time, because I like to perfect my eyebrows. And the eyebrow liquid, hindi siya makapal tingnan. So kahit gaano kadami yung idagdag ko, hindi siya magbumukhang makapal yung kilay. And then we'll be shaping it na medyo straight since we want to achieve the Korean brows. Next, I'll be filling it up with the powder just to make it look a bit more fuller. And then I'm going to finish it with the K Palette Brow Gel. I like to push up the brows first so that it stands up and then brush it in place. Next, I'm going to contour my nose and my face. I don't have a Korean product, so I'll be using a local product na lang. I don't know if it's local, but ito. Into It Eyebrow Palette. I'll be contouring with the lightest shade. Brushing off the powder, and then I'm gonna use the same palette, the two colors, as my bronzer. So just a slight contour, subtle. I'm also going to use this as my eyeshadow today. So this is how I usually do my makeup nowadays. So gusto ko lang gumawa ng updated makeup routine. Then I'm going to use another eyeshadow palette. This time it's from Pink Sugar. And I'm going to get the brown shade over here. And I will use it as my eyeliner. And then I'm gonna use this golden shade for the inner corner. Then for the blush, I'm going to use the Apu PH Juicy Pang Blusher in the shade BE01. So para siyang liquid, medyo gel type of blush. So it spreads, blends really quickly and easily. So it has that subtle shade. For the lips, I'll be using the Apu Juicy Pang Tint in the shade BE01 as well. So they have the same shade. This one's a blush, this one's a lip tint. I'm going to be putting this all over my lips. And then I want to add a little more blush. This is the Apu Juicy Pang Blusher in the shade CR01. So it's like a jelly type. So meron siyang bouncy effect. And then we're just going to tap over the liquid blush that we applied earlier. Before we finish the lips, I'm going to curl my lashes first. Next, I'll be using this mascara. This is Lucid Dreams Lucid Beauty Mascara. And I swear guys, ito yung mascara na nakapagpahaba ng lashes ko. I'll link it down below, all the products. But this one you can shop from my Caris shop. I'll leave the link here or down below so you can get one for yourself. Because I have really short lashes. Ito talaga yung nagpahaba sa kanya. Kasi kahit yung mascara, meron siyang ingredient na pangpahaba ng lashes. And then this one naman, the other side of the mascara. This is what you put when you're going to sleep. Diba guys? Ang subtle nung lashes, but you can see that it's long. So finally, we're going to finish the lips with an ombre look. I'll be using this Self Beauty Glam Up in the shade 03. Ito yung mga favorite ko na lip tints. You can also get this from my Caris shop. I'm going to apply it only on the inner part. And there you have it. That's it guys. This is the final look. May lipstick pa ako. So guys, this is the final look, Korean makeup look. You can check out the links of the products down below so you'll know where to get one, or you'll know where to buy. And guys, I have some discount on my Caris shop, so make sure you check that out. So that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. And comment down below what else do you want me to do, kung anong makeup looks pa. And yeah, I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye-bye!